Hannah, you're in the picture. Okay.
We are playing amnesia.
Hannah tried to play it. She lasted 12 seconds. So I have to play it.
I'll put it next level.
Sorry, he's following me. What am I standing on? No!
Standing on poop.
Obviously. It's gotta be the answer here. Jump the door. Jump! What are you doing?
Get in there! Freaking turn. You're going back the way you came from.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
What the hell? How's he getting in? Open the door. No!
That's in, you retard.
No!
You just passed the door.
Why do I keep on running in circles?
You're going backwards.
I didn't open a door before. Open! No! I don't know how to open doors. I don't know how to. Let me out! Why are they running? Why are they running? Run! Don't open the door! The door can't open! Open! Oh my God! Don't open that door, right? I ran right into him. I was so scared. He's right next to you. I gotta go this way, right?
No, you just came back.
Oh my God.
You're going the wrong way.
I don't care. I want out. Take me back. Oh God, he's gonna eat me. He's gonna eat me.
Run.
This is as fast as it goes.
Why?
I don't know.
You think in an emergency it'd be a little faster?
Oh God.
You're being chased by freaking monsters for freak's sake.
Oh God, I'm being
Why is
chased.
the brains